Hello, welcome back to Scratch course. So today in this video we are going to create your first Scratch project using the tutorials. Number one, first when you open your Scratch software, so you can go ahead and click on tutorials. When you click on tutorials, then here we can select one project that we can create a Scratch project. For example, let's use this use arrow keys flag. Let's select this project. So this is the project we select. So one thing I want you to do is, if you really want to learn Scratch very deep before you apply your creativity, is by using the tutorials to create a lot of projects. This will make you to be very much familiar with the codes like the motion, looks, sounds, events, variables, etc. So first you follow what they are telling you, what they are showing you to do in the tutorial, then you'll be applying it in the real life. So first they say use the arrow key left and right. The arrow key, this is the project. So first I click on this arrow next. So the first one is say move left and right. That's left, that's the right. Then click next. You want to move up and down. So here you see some code like this is at least and is advanced a little. Let me choose like simple one that we can create. Okay, let's take this like animate the name. Okay, first set click on sprite, then you select Q, pick a letter Q, then we come here sprite, then we go to letters, then we pick letter Q. We have our letter Q here. Then let's click on this next. Okay, when this sprite clicks, play meow. Okay, then it's under what, then we can go to events, we can drag our when click, then we can go to sounds, we pick our meow, play meow, right? Okay, select play meow. Okay, so you not heard the sound because I turn off my speaker. So we can click on next, we can select search. Look at, we search for E. Okay, search for E. E, select the E, then we click on next. Okay, sorry, after it's okay, next, when we select K. Okay, search and look for the letter K. I think it's this letter K. Okay, then they say when click, so we'll go back to our events. When this sprite click, okay, then change the color. is under looks. Change the color. Change color effect by 25. I select. Okay, then let's click on next, then find T. Okay, let's choose letter T, and say we can turn the letter T to look a little bit. Okay, seems like direction. Okay, then we can write another program. We can go to events, when click this sprite, pick it up, then we can go to control, repeat n times, then we can go to sensing, turn. Okay, I think we can go to motion. Then motion, we can go to motion and select turn 15 degrees and place it in between. Okay, then we can go back to control, wait for 1 second as the first code. Okay, and we are done with this. Go to the next. Okay, now we are going to pick our letter I. Is it I or 1? I don't see it. I. Okay, here it is, I. When click again, we can go to events. When click this sprite, repeat 15, control 15 seconds. So how do we make it 15 seconds? So what you do is we can drag the 10 seconds. Immediately we drag the 10 seconds, we can double click and make it 15. Then we can select change on the looks, change size by 10, got it. Then we can also take repeats again, control, edit again, 15, make it 15. Change size by, you can go to looks, change size by minus, I will click, put minus in your keyboard, 10, and we are done with this. We go to the next. So at least we are done with our tutorial. So let's see how the project works. Then you click on close. Okay, let's click it. Okay, we click the first one. Okay, let's start from this. When click sprite, so yeah, as I make mistake here, supposed to be event supposed to be when click on this sprite, has to say meow the Q. So on E, just bring E without. Okay, let's assign a value for E. When click this sprite, and let's go to control, repeat 10. Let's go to looks, let's say set size to 100 example. Okay, let me use change color.
Incoming call from Haja Amami Cyber.
You see, it changed the color.
Incoming call from Haja Amami Cyber.
You see how it changed the color. So, and when I select key, click on, you see the color is changing different colors, and the T is turning. So, and when you select the I, so congratulations, you have created your first Scratch project. So all you need, you can come to file, click on save to your computer. It will ask you for where do you want to save it, and you can just name it whatever. My first Scratch project, and you can click on save. So congratulations. So this, for you to understand Scratch very well, you have to take the tutorials. Maybe you take it one by one, applying what is that showing you. Before you know, you become very good at it.